Thank you po.
Ang bebe ko. Kanta na yan.
Kakanta na yan.
Kanta na yan.
Chelsea.
Chelsea.
Lero.
Which song do you like?
Iba naman. Tahanan.
Oh, na lang. What song do you like? And I'll sing a song for you. With birthday gift.
Lero. Lele.
Tahanan.
Sometimes na lang.
Sige. Wala ka na.
Lyrics. Naligan kita. Diyan ka na.
Bigay niya yung cellphone.
Ayo. Magbabanta o.
Okay, so this is one of my go-to karaoke songs. I really love this song, and I will dedicate it to you.
Yan. Kaya break mo.
You can also sing with me if you like. Mamaya na si Anna. Andyan na.
Ante, baba mo naman. Ante, yung break mo, ante.
Ikaw rin natutupit ka. Baba ko rin yung hindi.
Hindi.
Ay, Ats, hindi ko nakapag-break. Maybe there is all.
Gusto naman ano dito na yung button na.
Bayan?
Yun o.
Nag-boot pa.
Yun o.
Sorry po, Motorola. Nakigamit lang po ng cellphone.
Hindi na
Music.
You tell me you're in love with me. Like you could take your pretty eyes away from
Yung song
me.
siguro nila.
It's not that I don't want to say, but every time you come too close, you move away. I wanna believe in everything that you say. It sounds so good, but if you really want me, you Sometimes I hide, sometimes I'm scared of you. But all I really want to hold you tight. You're right, I'll be with you at night. All I really want is to hold you tight.
Nalasing.
At night. Your voice! Love your voice too. Your song is so nice.
Isa pa. Isa pa raw. More. More. Isa pa daw. More. What song? Wow.
Do you want?
Hindi yan, lalaki kumakanta. Ito.
Baba.
To the bone?
Yay! Parang wala kang sasabi sa trabaho cancel pa ka na.
Okay, nag-send si Koy.
Wala na.
Ihulin natin. Ito ba yun? Ito ba yun?
Parang doon.
Wala ba?
Huwag na ma-story ko na lang yan. Send mo sa akin. Kumakanta na lang.
Nasa TikTok na si Nen. Hindi naman masisave. Masisave yan. So pretty na, but you...
Google Drive.
Send mo Google Drive.
Kumakanta yung mama niyo.
I want you to be born. Have I ever known you? Let it all alone. And if I die, living here, listen to me now, babe. I want you to be born. I want you to be born. I want you to be born. Maybe if you can see what I feel to the bone, ever close in me, then you're the rest of it gone. Maybe I'll let you know by saying how I feel. But if it is before, I want you to go. I want you to take me home and falling, loving on and falling, losing control. I am so mindful, sure, already yours. You got a moment, hold you tight, moment, under control. Body and soul, mindful, sure, already yours.
Ay, masarili sila.